Abnormal noise may be caused by one of the following situations. Situation 1. Noise caused by the lower cover panel beneath the backrest. Raise the backrest. Then press down on the bed to check whether the abnormal noise is still present. Situation 2. Noise caused by loose backrest panel or hardware fittings. Check whether the fixing screws at the four corners of the backrest panel are loose. Tighten any loose screws, then check whether the abnormal noise has been eliminated. Situation 3. Noise caused by loose wooden side frames. Check whether the fixing screws on both wooden side frames are loose. Tighten any loose screws, then check whether the abnormal noise is still present. Situation 4. Noise caused by deformation at the acrylic panel joints. Slightly loosen the four corner screws securing the acrylic panel, then check whether the abnormal noise is still present. Situation 5. Noise caused by interference between the acrylic panel and the wooden base. In this case, the position of the wooden base needs to be adjusted. First, use a chair of suitable height to support the head section of the bed. Then lower the bed frame. As the bed frame lowers, the wooden base will move upward, providing enough clearance for adjustment. Next, loosen the four fixing screws of the wooden base and reposition the base until it no longer contacts or interferes with the acrylic panel.